Washington, D.C., right?
Sure did.
And this week we are taking you 30 minutes into the suburbs to a community called Bowie. But we're not just going to show them any community, baby.
Okay.
We're going to show them the luxury communities only. This is Love in Real Estate.
Like Amanda said, we are in Bowie. Bowie is the largest city in all of Prince George's County. It's actually also top 10 in all of Maryland. So if you're relocating to the area, this is a place you want to get to know. So we're talking about the infamous Church Road. So Church Road actually runs a 7-mile radius from Mitchellville all the way to Bowie. And why is it called Church Road? It actually starts back in the 18th century, which connected two churches, St. Barnabas and Holy Trinity Episcopal.
Okay. History's beautiful. But let's really talk about why Church Road is so infamous. Church Road is called Millionaire Row. Yes. And when you get the reaction, this is real life. Let's role play this.
Okay.
Do you live on Church Road?
Yeah, I live in Church Road.
No. Say it back to me.
Awesome.
Real reaction. Let's try this again.
Oh, so I live in Prince George's County. I live in Church Road.
Oh, you live in Church Road? That's the reaction that people have. This is the Beverly Hills of Bowie. So I wanted to start our journey in the Hamptons at Woodmore. You're going to hear me say the word Woodmore a number of times throughout this video today because there are different variations of Woodmore in Bowie. But AD, I want you to go. Oh, you know what? Before you go into this, AD, let me tell you about it real quick. Just my little spin. Okay. All right.
Sure.
So this is actually a 64 estate home community. And all these homes actually sit on a minimum of 1 to 2 acre lots.
Yeah. And then also, it's actually right in the middle of two town centers, Bowie Town Center and Largo Town Center, which is actually going to be called Caroline.
It's a new community, well, not community, more of a development that's being built out.
Correct. And not too far from it is South Bowie, which is a new total development that's going to be progressing over the next 5 to 6 years. So homes in this neighborhood are going to run you anywhere between $1 to $2.7 million.
Yeah, and then also this community has been completely closed out, so there won't be any new builds or custom builds moving forward. However, these homes are available for resale, and the original builder is K. Hovanian, the #1. Well, actually, no, there's Tall Brothers, but in my opinion, K. Hovanian has an amazing product when it comes to single-family homes.
Yep. And then this community, again, homes don't come available
Often.
Yep.
They do not.
Yep. So when they do,
jump on it.
So we just made a right off of Church Road. We are now at Woodmore Estates.
But hold on, baby. Before we get into it, listen to this, guys. You hear how quiet that is? This is less than 13 miles from Washington, D.C., and you still get that serene suburb living.
Correct. This community has 132 beautiful home estates. I mean, it's actually in the zip code of 20721 in Bowie. We have 2 entrances. We have the one on Church Road that we came.
And then we have the one on Mount Oak Road. And just like AB said, this is one of those larger format homes, and so your lot size is going to be big. So that means that the community itself doesn't necessarily have the expectation to have community amenities, because your amenities are custom and they live on the 4 lines of your lot. So this is Woodmore Estate, but I'm super excited to take you to the next stop. I took us off of Church Road for just a second to the preserves at Woodmore Estates. Okay. The reason being is because this is kind of an extension of Woodmore Estates. It's only 16 houses here.
Wait, 16?
Only 16.
Everybody must know each other.
Yeah, maybe. Or not, because these late houses do still sit on 0.75 to 1 acre lots, and in some situations, even 1.5 acres. Also, this community specifically, the reason why it's called the preserves is the uniqueness of the homes. None of these houses look alike, from their facades to their elevations, things of that nature. And the cool part, this is real estate nerd here speaking right now, is actually the driveways. All of these homes have extended, extremely long driveways. At the minimum can sit or fit 6 cars, and that's the minimum. I'm talking, these are long driveways. And yeah,
So for your get-togethers, there's more than enough room for parking. If
That's
you're having
it.
a big party, you may have to use your neighbor's driveway or maybe the street parking.
but this is the preserves, Woodmore Estates.
So if you're a big entertainer and you like to have parties or you just have to have gatherings, I mean, this is the house for you. And if 6 cars are not enough, just pick another house. There are the cars that have up to 14, right?
I mean, I don't know. That 14 seems low. Like this, that takes me like 10 minutes just to walk to the house. So you know what? I would be so upset if my mailbox was down there. You have to drive to get your mail. Ooh, you know what? We've been talking a lot about these driveways. I'm gonna take you to another community, but the driveways are so long you can't even see the houses. Just wait. The flowers.
Beautiful, I agree.
And not just my shirt. And watch out! There's the camera.
Guys, welcome to our next community. We are in Fairwood. I mean, this community is approximately 4 square miles and over 1,800 homes.
You know what? Because there's 1,800 homes, we're gonna actually come back and do an entire video just on this. That's how big this community is. We're talking about large format single family homes that actually are encompassed inside of a gate. There's a small part that's actually gated, but then we're small format single family homes, condos, and even, yes, you named it and guessed it, townhomes. 2-car garage townhomes with all the amenities.
Let me talk about it. So the town center is actually called Fairwood Green. I mean, it has everything from your local grocery store, your gas station, even a coffee house.
PJ's Coffee House, which is brand new to the county, and it is New Orleans style, and it is so cute on the inside. Literally, when you put your car in the driveway, you smell the coffee coming into the street.
And then behind us is the country club, the Sycamore Club. I mean, it has everything from the pool, your tennis court, your putting green, and
the pool. Did you talk about the pool already?
I mentioned the pool.
But the pool, really, the pool, honestly, because this is actually for community members only, but it's really big, has tons of parking. So if you wanted to host that big party, that baby shower, even just a really good a community, what a pool party for your friends or for the kids or something like that, this is a great place to get that done.
Yeah, and it's actually anchored by 8 miles of walking trail. So hey, if you need to get those steps in,
get them steps in.
This is the community for you.
This is literally it. Fairwood. Do not sleep. Okay, I said that we were going to another community that had long driveways and you couldn't even see the houses, but I wanted to start at Fairwood first, okay? But we're getting ready to go there next, okay? Let's go.
Babe, where do you have us at?
So, I kept my promise. And I told you I was going to take you somewhere where you couldn't even see the houses. Behind me are houses like none other. This community is so exclusive, you need someone like us to get into it. And the only way that they know that you were coming into the community is because of these security cameras right here. There is no sign, there is no anything when it comes to the woods of Woodmore. Now, the woods of Woodmore, these homes, honestly, I'm gonna be very honest with you. We don't know how many homes are back here, but the reality is the only way that you can get a home here is if you buy your lot and you buy your builder and you build on top. That is the only way that you're getting homes. Now, we've talked about estate homes. We've talked about nice communities with amenities. This is truly the definition of luxury. This is not on Church Road. This is slightly off Church Road. It's on Woodmore Road. And these houses are ranging from 1.7 million
to 3 million.
3 million.
And a minimum of 1.5 acres up to 3 acres. I mean, it is
huge.
Just gorgeous back here.
Well, thank you so much for hanging out with us. And I'm so sorry, but this is coming to the conclusion of our video. So before I get into the final community that you've been waiting for, I want to make sure that you like and subscribe all of our videos, because Love and Real Estate is coming out every single Saturday, and we'll bring you all things DMV when it comes to real estate. But we're here, the infamous Woodmore South, not to be confused with Woodmore North.
Yeah, so Woodmore South, is the premier neighborhood in Prince George's County. This community was built in 1990, but there's still lots that are still available. It includes everything from villas, single family homes, and
2-car garage townhomes, but let's talk about the custom estates. These homes are beyond. I talked about the Woods of Woodmore. You can get that exact same style or something even larger here. We're talking about lots with multiple homes on the lot, the true definition of the estate. But it is anchored by the Wood of Woodmore Country Club, a members only country club that is anchored with a lake and an 18-hole golf course.
all right, guys, so we've come to the end of our tour today. We've seen some beautiful communities here in Bowie. But let's talk about the people who actually live here.
Yes, so we're talking about business owners, doctors, lawyers, former athletes, social media influencers, and even a few megachurch pastors, indeed. But guys, I love Bowie. And when people talk about Bowie, I don't think anyone's ever taken the time to really encompass all the luxury that is here. And that's why I decided to show this community. So guys, take it all in, rewind it if you need to. There's so much that we did so well today. But until then, guys, this is Love and Real Estate, and we are your favorite real estate couple, Amanda.
Indeed.
And until then,
Our experience with the Dapper Group was amazing, from the viewings to just talking to us about everything that has to do with home buying. It was really, really pleasant. It was a pleasure working with the Dapper Group, and if we have to do this again, it will be the Dapper Group.